In this problem, we have to find the radius of this circle, and here the center of the circle is O, and there are actually one chord that is AB, and this is a point called M. A to M is 4, and M to B is 44, and C to M is 8 unit long, right? Now, what we have to do, we can extend this CM up to this much. Let's call this length is CD, and from M to D, let's consider this is the value of X. Now, what we have to do, we have to understand the theorem called intersecting chord theorem. So let's write down the chord theorem. Here actually two chord, one is AB, another one is CD. So if it is, let's say this is AB, and let's say this is CD, and they are intersecting at this point. And what is A to B first half? Let's say this is the M point. Indeed, this is 4 unit long, and this is 44. And of course, C to M is 8, and M to D is X. Indeed, by the chord theorem at intersecting point M, indeed, we could write down 8 times X is equals to 44 times 4. From here, we can calculate the value of X is equals to 22. Very straightforward. 22 unit, right? Now, what we have to do, and here one point we missed out, that is these two chord actually intersect at M point, and this is actually the right angle triangle. If this two chord, it means AB and CD intersect at M, and M point is a right angle. Indeed, what you can write when, so here at M point, two chords AB and CD are intersecting at a right angle at M point. Indeed, what you can write down, we can write down the radius of the circle 4 times the radius square, and the value X is equals to what we found, that is 22. So let's write down, instead of X is here 22. So we can write down the portion of the chord 4, 8, 44, and 22. So this four portions we can write down. For R square is equals to, let's zoom, in this one. So first of all, 4 square from AB chord plus 44 square, then CD 8 square, and 22 square. So let's sum up this value. So this is 16. So 44 square is nothing but 1936 plus 64 and 484. Altogether, this one 2500 unit. Indeed, what you can write, R square. So this is 4. So R is equals to 25. Very straightforward. So this is the unit. So the radius of the circle is 25 units, right? So let's recap what we have written here. So if there is a circle and if it is two chord, so let's say this is AB and this is CD, right? And intersecting point is M as given. So if we write here A and M to B is B and this is C, and if it is D, from M to D, indeed the radius 4 times R square is equals to all this 4 length sum up, and it has to be square, so square plus B square plus C square plus D square is equals to 4R square. So this is the fundamental theorem when two chords are intersecting at right angle. Indeed, we have to write down this one. So our final answer R is equals to 25 units.